Welcome to Best Pick. Top 10 Best 3D Printer in 2021 you can buy from Amazon. Top 1. Sindoh 3D2XQ 3D WOX2X 3D Printer, Dual Extruder, Wi-Fi connected, HEPA filter, flexible metal bed plate, heated. Brand Sindoh. Item dimensions LXWXH 18.35x 19.29x 22.56 inches. Item weight 1 kg. Supported file format OBJ, STL, AMF, ply. Compatible material polyvinyl alcohol, polylactic acid, metal, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, polycarbonate. About this item. 3D-WOX2X has two extruders that move independently, achieving the highest efficiency possible. Open source filament mode is available, letting users to explore new printing possibilities. May require firmware update. Offers HEPA filter and fully enclosed structure for user safety. 3D-WOX2X prints silence. This noise level of 2x is 40 decibels, which is equivalent to the noise level of library. Offers automatic loading and unloading of filament. Insert a cartridge and 3D-WOX will do the rest. Top 2. QIDI Technology iFast 3D Printer, industrial grade structure, with dual extruder for fast printing, super large print size 360 x 250 320 mm. Brand QIDI Technology. Color white plus black. Item dimensions LXWXH 28.74x 20.47x 24.41 inches. Compatible material nylon, carbon fiber, PC, ABS, PLA, PETG, TPU. About this item. Faster printing. Fully industrial grade structure, using the second generation QIDI dual Z-axis structure. All of the original motion structure is upgraded to linear guides. With the Ruby extruder, the filament extruding is faster and smoother, the printing accuracy is higher, the printing speed is increased by 20%, it is set to print easily at 100 cc. Freedom in the choice of the filament. iFast can print almost all kinds of filaments which suitable for FDM 3D printers on the market, such as PLA, PLA+, ABS, PETG, nylon, etc. The iFast 3D printer equipped with a heated chamber, which can be heated to 60 degrees Celsius. The excellent mechanical structure can produce more robust manufacturing-grade parts. Freedom in manufacturing of the complex parts. iFast is equipped with automatic dual extruder, which can automatically adjust the left and right extruder up and down according to the software. With a PVA, water-soluble, support, it is very suitable for printing manufacturing-level parts with complex structures and realizing precision manufacturing. Unique Top 3. QIDI Tech Large Size Intelligent Industrial Grade 3D Printer. New model, X-Max, 5-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi function, high precision printing with ABS, PLA, TPU, flexible filament, 300x250x300 The X-Max with pioneered creation of two different ways for placing the filament. Ventilated printing or enclosed constant temperature printing for you to choose when printing the different types of filament. 5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons makes for easy operation. Build size, 300mm x 250mm x 300mm/11.8 inches x 9.8 inches x 11.8 inches. Full metal support, more stable than plastic support. Aviation aluminum, CNC machining aluminum alloy. QIDI Tech Professional Amazon After Service Team. If you have any problem about our 3D printer, we will reply to you within 24 hours. Free 1-year warranty. Top 4. ANYCUBIC Mega Pro 3D Printer, 4th Gen 3D Printing and Laser Engraving 2-in-1 Filament FDM 3D Printer with Smart Auxiliary Leveling, printing size 8.27x 8.27x 8.07 and engraving size 8.67x 5.5. Multi-function 3D printer. Our 4th Gen 3D printer integrates the functions of 3D printing and laser engraving to meet your more creative needs and unleash your creative potential. With modular design, you can assemble the printer in just a few minutes. Multicolor printing. Offer the option to print with different colorful filament on a single nozzle by pausing at a specific layer. Seamless connection, which leads to providing you with more perfect matching options for model color. Pause up to 6 times. Smart auxiliary leveling. ANYCUBIC Mega Pro 3D printer equipped with intelligent leveling tools. Automatically locate the leveling spot of the print platform and beep alert to precise print head height during leveling. More friendly use to beginners. Upgraded silent drive. TMC2208 silent drive, which is quieter than other 3D printers and can provide you with a more comfortable printing environment. Sturdy construction minimizes the shaking to greatly enhance the print quality. More function. Filament detection. The sensor will pause printing and issue an alarm when the filament is insufficient. Resume print. One click to resume from the last recorded position when suffering power outages. Safe power supply. Compliance with multiple certifications such as UL, CE, FCC, etc. enhances its safety. All ANYCUBIC 3D printers backed with lifetime technical support and 24 hours professional customer service. Top 5. Official Creality Ender 3v2 upgraded 3D printer integrated structure design with Carborundum glass platform, silent motherboard and branded power supply. Self-developed silent motherboard. The Ender 3v2 built-in self-developed 4.2.2 version silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing and low decibel operation. UL certified Meanwell power supply. Equipped with Meanwell power supply, produced by the listed company with mature technology, meeting all the needs of fast heating and long-time printing. Moreover, the power supply is concealed in the machine, making it much safer. Effortless filament feed-in. Ender 3v2 adds a rotary knob on the extruder, making loading and feeding filament process much easier. Brand new operation UI system and 4.3 inches smart color screen greatly improve user experience. Resume printing function. Can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages, saving your time and reducing waste. Carborundum glass platform. Enable the hotbed heat up quicker and prints adhere better without the warping. Ultra smoothness even on the first layer. Top 6. ANYCUBIC Mega S 3D printer. Upgrade metal frame FDM 3D printer with extruder and suspended filament rack plus free test PLA filament. Works with TPU PLA ABS 8.27 L x 8.27 W x 8.07 H. Printing size. Brand ANYCUBIC. Color black. Item weight 24.25 pounds. About this item. Works out of the box. 3 steps to set up ANYCUBIC Mega S 3D printer with 8 screws and 3 cables for minutes. Not only meets fast assembly needs for expert users but also friendly use to beginners. The rigid metal frame can minimize the shaking to improve the print quality. Upgraded extruder design. Titan extruder provides precise extrusion for your 3D printing with solid filament drive and overall mechanical design compatible with most filaments, greatly reducing the clogging risk and improving printing accuracy. Resume print and sensor detection. Mega S 3D printer can resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. One click to resume from the last recorded position when suffering power outages, and the sensor pauses prints and sets off an alarm when you run out of filament, which greatly saves time and cost. Printing volume reaches 8.27 x 8.27 x 8.07 inches. ANYCUBIC Ultrabase. Patented 3D printer printing platform surface coated with patented micropurse coating, with excellent adhesion when printing and then effortlessly falls off the bed when it cools to room temp at the end of the print. More function. TFT touch screen. Is responsive as operating on the phone. All ANYCUBIC 3D printers backed with lifetime technical support and 24 hours professional customer service. Top 7. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer with removable build surface plate and UL certified power supply 220x220x250mm. Brand Kacsoo. Color black. Hardware interface microSD, USB. Item weight 8.6 kilograms. About this item. Removable build surface plate, provide all-round protection to your 3D printer build plate and ensure consistent temperature throughout the build surface. Easy to remove the printing models after cooling. Safe power supply. Ender 3 Pro comes with a UL certified power supply, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges that can heat the hotbed to 110 in just 5 minutes. Resume print function. Ender 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages. Semi-assembled KIT. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. QIDI, Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer, lifetime technical assistance and 24 hours professional customer service. Top 8. Elegoo Mars 2 Mono MSLA 3D printer UV photocuring LCD resin 3D printer with 6.08-inch 2K monochrome LCD, printing size 129x80x150mm/5.1x3.1x5.9 green cover. Fast printing and less maintenance? Mars 2 comes with a 6.08-inch monochrome LCD of 2K HD resolution and only takes 2 seconds per layer exposure to cure resin, which could significantly enhance your printing efficiency. Mono LCD has a much longer lifespan and stable performance during long-term printing, thus saves your cost. Outstanding prints and ultra accuracy? Brand new light source structure provides more even UV light emission, and working together with 2K Mono LCD, the printing details and precision are greatly improved and the 3D printed models are fascinating. Sturdy build quality? CNC machined aluminum body makes Mars 2 a very formidable machine. Newly designed build plate has a much stronger adherence during printing and enables consistent printing success. Multi-language interface? Mars 2 now supports 12 kinds of languages so customers across the world could operate the 3D printer more conveniently without barriers. The newly added 10 languages are Japanese, Dutch, Korean, French, German, Russian, Italian, Spanish, Turkish and Portuguese. Warranty and service? We provide a 1-year warranty on the whole printer and 6-month warranty for the 2K LCD. FEP film is excluded. Top 9. Official Creality Ender 3 3D printer, fully open source with resume printing function. DIY 3D printers, printing size 220x220x250mm. Brand Kacsoo. Hardware interface microSD, USB. Item weight 8 kilograms. About this item. Resume printing function. Ender 3 has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. Easy and quick assembly, it comes with several assembled parts, you only need about 2 hours to assemble 20 nuts well. Advanced extruder technology, upgraded extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. V-shape with POM wheels make it move noiseless, smoothly and durable. Safety protected power supply, only needs 5 minutes for hotbed to reach 110 degree. Strict testing for key components before delivery and lifetime technical supports available. Top 10. Kacsoo Mini 3D printer for kids and beginners with digital display, no assembly required. 3D printer with protective window, magnetic plate and free testing filament, printing size 110x110x90mm. Excellent printing effect. The Easy 3D printer has a printing size of 4.33 inches 4.333.54, 110-110-90mm, fits 1.75mm diameter PLA and TPU filament. The accuracy is 0.1mm, which allows smooth and alive printing effect. It's excellent for children and beginners. You will enjoy creating DIY projects and it will improve your spatial imagination and three-dimensional perception. Upgraded extruder technology. The nozzle of Mini 3D printer is 0.4 mm, reaches the operating temperature, 180, in just 3 minutes. It is equipped with the latest extruder technology, which will not cause problems such as nozzle clogging and poor extrusion. It has a pause function. You can pause and continue printing at any time. Note: this Mini 3D printer do not have resume print function. It will print from the beginning if there is a power failure. No assembly required. The Easy 3D printer is one piece, no assembly required. You can use it immediately when you unbox it. It's easy to use even for kids. Low noise. The structure of the 3D printer is robust. The base can be placed easily and stably, which is necessary condition for flawless printing results. The noise is lower than 60 dB, it will not affect other people's rest or work. It's a perfect gift to kids and friends. You'd better watch the manual and tutorial video before using. If there is any problems, please feel free to connect our service team. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.